It's Huddle here. How you doing? I just want to jump on quick. I know tomorrow's Friday. I'm so excited. Tomorrow morning, every Friday at 10:30 a.m., two of my colleagues and I, we host a show called Coffee Time with Masterminds. And it's been really picking up steam. We have viewers from all over the world, really. It's pretty unbelievable. Anyway, tomorrow we're going to be talking about the importance of self-care. Tomorrow's show is going to be pretty exciting. And in the comments, I'm going to post a link for last week's show, which we got a lot of traction from, and let you know that if anyone out there has anything that you would like to talk about on our show with respect to some of the areas that we cover in nonprofit development, in grant writing, we also talk about change management, organizational leadership, data, performance measures, and evaluation, all this exciting stuff with you, and you want to come on our show, we're always looking for guests. But at the very least, I hope tomorrow you can find some time in your summer schedule to tune in on my Facebook page at Grant Right Now at 10:30 a.m. for our live conversation, Coffee Time with Mastermind. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.